Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, do I have a delicious video for you today? Tonight? Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. And I'm a certified hater of degenerates, losers, pump and dump, shills, and scumbags. Now tonight, we're going to talk about a very close friend who means a lot to me. I'm just kidding. I don't know this freaking loser. His name is Brian. See this little clown right here? Brian Kotick. Kotick. That's like the sound that balls make when they're going in your throat. Now, you may be like, strong man, what is this? What is this? This is my YouTube channel, and these are my subscribers. Okay, I don't know these other people, but we're focusing on Bad Luck Brian, or as I like to call him, Ball Breath Brian. Now, Ball Breath Brian is a very special individual because he is a coach. He is employed by Jeremy LaFoo from Financial Education. Now, one of my fans, who I really appreciate, you know who you are, sent me a screencast of Coach Brian doing some very suspicious things. Not only does he gargle Meet Kevin's nuts and Jeremy LaFoo's nuts, but he could potentially be engaging in, I wouldn't say fraudulent, but highly suspicious stuff, okay? I can't confirm that. I don't know. I don't have enough evidence, but seems a little fishy to me. Now, what did Ball Breath do? Well, let's go watch this delicious video supplied by one of my subscribers, and we'll go look at some other stuff, and then we'll leave you to judge if Mr. Brian here, Mr. Kotick, is being a bad boy or not. Let's watch this video.
All right there, Chris, Mr. Strongman Personal Finance there.
So,
hey, I was in with Jeremy's group, and I'm kicked out now.
Jeremy LaFoo kicked somebody out? It's actually a good thing you got kicked out of LaFoo's group, because he's a freaking loser. Tattoo tank. Of course
I didn't sign up for it again, but I forgot that I'm still in with Coach Brian. So Coach Brian has the short to medium swing trade group that's like a branch of Jeremy's financial education here. So you probably know Coach Brian. I know you mentioned him.
Coach Brian, he's a swing trader. He's a swing trader. Now, there's nothing inherently wrong with swing trading. I mean, it's kind of, I think it's stupid. Buy and hold good stocks or total return index funds, tax advantage accounts. But that's not why I hate Coach Brian. Let's keep watching. Brian Kotick.
So this is where I started to think things were kind of sketchy a couple of months into joining this group here, where he said that he set up an interview. Okay, so if you're interested in signing up for Voyager Digital, so he set up an interview with Meet Kevin and Voyager's CEO. Yes,
sir, it's Meet Breath Kevin. Okay, get it right.
Yesterday, video attached below. So he's in with Meet Kevin right here, and he sets this up with Voyager Digital CEO, Bitcoin to 100,000 in 100 days. Wow, that's interesting here. So I'll give you the links to
How'd that go, ladies and gentlemen?
this in the email, and that's Coach Brian's short to medium term holdings right here.
Coach Brian,
and
swing
let's
trader.
see if I can
Swing
scoot it
trader,
over here so you can see
financial
it.
advisor.
So anyways, in here he's got his current holdings. If you can see this, profit and loss is completely in the red except for $136. It's like Southwest Airlines.
Coach Ball Breath Brian made $36 this year. Oh wait, no, he lost $240,000. Let's see, negative 70%. What is that? PayPal. Negative 47%. Smile Direct Club. Listening to his butt buddy LaFoo. Oh, Jeremy. Oh, you're so amazing, Jeremy.
So yeah, let me scroll in here, zoom in here real quick. And if you look at this, of course, this is only for the first month, but it's completely red. He's down like $250,000.
Have the indexes gone down 31%? I don't think so. It's almost like if you buy speculative trash, you might do good in a crazy bull market and then get your freaking cheeks clapped when the market goes down. Because you own a bunch of freaking trash. But that's not all, Ball Breath Brian. That's not all.
Dollars already. And people follow this stuff, man. Like, seriously, they actually
Sick.
follow what this dude is telling them. And if we scroll down here, this is the interesting thing. This is why I brought it up earlier. But if we've got this here, this is from 2021. So he's got a profit and loss of, it's like, whoa, man, you got $600,000 profit. That's awesome. You took 600 grand profit. But if you zoom in on this one here and you find out where he actually got his profits, there's 300 grand right there. Where does this 300 grand come from? Oh, Voyager Digital. No way. Okay, good. So he
has a position in Voyager Digital. Okay. But he's not doing anything bad. He has a position. He's going to be in a lot of different positions down at the coal mines before you know it. He has a position in Voyager Digital. And then he sets up an interview with Meat Breath and the CEO of Voyager. I wonder what that did to the stock. We're going to go look in a second. I wonder if he could have potentially profited from pumping a stock. No, not Ball Breath Brian. He's a good person.
I don't know if you can actually move that stock, but that was interesting that he got Meet Kevin connected with this guy.
I think Meat Breath moved it. We'll see. I mean, I could be wrong, but it's oddly suspicious.
And then sold the stock as soon as it pumped up. Huh. All right, let's see what else he got on here. This is from last year.
Ball Breath.
So if we scroll up
Ball
to
Breath.
his other big gain was 390 grand. What was 390 grand from? Oh, it was AMC. What was that? The pump and dump from Wall Street Bets? Yeah, so that's where he got his big gains. Yeah, super sketchy shit. This is where I stopped following him, like I said, man. So yeah, if you take a look at the email, I'll show you how to get into this.
Anyway, thank you, man. I really appreciate you sending this to me. Now, let's go investigate Ball Breath just a little bit more. How the hell do I close out of this thing? There we go. So, Ball Breath sets up an interview with Meat Breath Kevin. Meat Breath Kevin! He sets up an interview with Meat Breath, and here's Meat Breath on March 6th, 2021. Bitcoin to 100K in 100 days. Bitcoin and crypto with the Voyager CEO. Thanks, Ball Breath. That's the one you set up, right? March 6th, 2021. Let's go look at the stock. So, let's see if we can go back to March 6th, 2021. Okay. So on March 5th, right before the interview, the stock is trading at $13.55. It's at $7.57 now, but it's official, bro. $13.55. And then Meat Breath does the interview the next day. And let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Meat Skin, Meat Breath, oh, he's so amazing, does the interview. And look what happens to the freaking stock from March 5th to March 19th. It went up 82%, and then it freaking crashed, and I wonder if Ball Breath Brian sold out right there. And then it shot back up again, and then ever since then, it's gone down. Oddly suspicious there, Ball Breath Brian. Oddly suspicious. Now, Meat Breath can't move the markets. It's weird. March 5th, see it right there? Then we go back to Meat Breath's video, March 6th. And I like the video so I can track it. I want to hear any crap. And then we go over to the Foo, March 10th, 2021. It's almost like Jeremy the Fluffer Face has been pumping the stock as well. So basically, Ball Breath Brian lost a ton of money this year because he has a bunch of trash stocks, highly unprofitable. Well, let's see. Microsoft, okay. PayPal, Cleveland Cliffs, whatever. Day trader. He's a trader. But isn't it a little weird that he set up an interview with Meat Breath, and the vast majority of his gains, 390,000 or something like that last year, came from a stock that he may or may not have pumped up. But you know what? I'll let you decide that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? I mean, I could be totally wrong. I could be 100% wrong. If I'm wrong, see this bottle of baby milk? I'll drink it. Oh, ball breath, Brian. You gonna unsub now? You're gonna be mad. Anyway, that's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Screw Lufufu, screw meat breath, and screw ball breath Brian. Have a wonderful night. Cheers!